Hey all, Marty here. I wanted to invite you to our live call every Tuesday, 1 p.m. East, 10 a.m. West in the ACB community.
If you want to listen live, you can tune in on ACB Media 5 or bring your questions live. Check us out in Clubhouse or visit acb.community to get more information about how you can join the Zoom calls. The replays are also shared on your favorite podcast platform. Search for Unmute Presents. As you might know, WayAround was recently added to the BlindShell Classic 2. Now, what is WayAround? WayAround is a tag and labeling system that allows you the ability to tag items and then label them with the information you need to have about that item. So I have a sticker. WayAround comes in several different models. Head on over to atguys.com and check out the WayAround packs that are available. And this sticker has some information on it, and I don't remember what it says because I took it off of the item that it was on and I stuck it to my desk because I needed to do this demo. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and press the back button. That's the slanted line on the right. If you hear that beep, 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 let's press and hold it.
11:10 a.m.
There we go. So if we press the side button, the button on the right edge,
Weather, 1 of 3.
and then I'm going to choose number 2.
WayAround, scan and tag, 2 of 3.
When I press OK, this will be what happens, and I'm not going to edit this down because it does take a little bit to open the application.
WayAround, and labeled item. Web container. Heading 1 heading, WayAround.
When you hear it say heading 1 heading WayAround, that means that the application has completely loaded. If we down arrow, we'll hear things like
Graphic Way Cloud connected. Button settings. Scanner ready. Hold the NFC reader of your phone on the Way tag until there's a sound or vibration. Button create, double tap to create all new information that can be written. Web container.
and the last button is create. So I've pressed and held the up button until it said web container. And now I'm right where I would be if the application was opened. Now what I'm going to do is reach over and set the back of the phone against the sticker.
Heading. This is a description of a Way tag which I'm not exactly 100% sure how well this is going to work, but we'll give it a try.
Now, so that read off the entire tag to me. And now what I can do is use my down arrow key.
It's scanner ready. Hold the NFC reader of your phone on the Way tag until there's a sound or vibration. And I'm going to go ahead and
fade that out so that way you don't have to listen to it read the same message again. But if we keep pressing our down arrow.
Button edit. Button create, double tap to create all. Last item.
So we can edit or create. And as you might remember, before we scanned it, it just said create underneath the directions for how to use it. So let me show you how to create a tag. I'm going to press OK.
Button create, heading 1 heading, create Way tag.
And if you are confused, all you need to do is open the WayAround application, press and hold your down button until you hear it say create and then press OK. You'll then be on this screen where we can press our down arrow.
Graphic Way Cloud connected.
We hear it say Way Cloud connected. That tells us that we're signed into our account.
Heading 2 heading, description, edit text.
And we're going to put in a description here.
Keyboard shown, text.
The phone told me keyboard shown because I pressed OK on the edit text. Now I'm going to press and hold the side button and say, this is a demonstration of the Way tag using the podcasts. Wait. No, I mean, this is a demonstration for the podcast of using Way tags, period. I pressed OK.
This is a demonstration of the Way tag using the podcast. Wait, no, I mean, this is a demonstration for the podcast.
And then we'll press OK again to close the edit field.
Keyboard hidden.
I'm all about efficiency, so what I'm going to do is press and hold the down button.
Detail, button right.
And this takes me to a button that says button right. If I press OK on button right,
ready to write, hold the NFC reader of your phone on the Way tag until you see or hear, success.
For BlindShell,
Way tag written, or the phone vibrates.
For BlindShell, this means hold the back of the phone directly below the SOS button against or above the tag. The phone will then vibrate and you'll hear
web success. Way tag written.
Now it's ready for us to scan. So now all we need to do is hold the back of the phone above or against the tag.
Webcam heading. This is a demonstration of the Way tag using the podcast. This is a demonstration for the
And that's a brief explanation of the WayAround application on the BlindShell Classic 2. Now, lesson learned here in this episode, if you're using Reaper, check your input sources. Accidentally use the video mix. So that's why you heard BlindShell interrupt me a little more than normal. Have a beautiful Sunday. Something dropping pretty cool tonight, too. Stay subscribed. Hey, real quick shout out. Thanks to Andre Louis for the shorts collection and the music in this audio.